today's video is going to be all about how I'm going to ask my bridesmaids or propose to them. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I really like watching these kinds of videos, especially even before I was engaged, just to get fun ideas and see how other brides are doing it. If you missed any of my other wedding planning series, then all of those videos will be down there as well. So let's go ahead and jump into this one. Okay, as you can see by the title, it's going to be how I asked my bridesmaids for today's video, and I actually haven't done it yet. I am asking them next week. We are going to a wedding bridal dress shop, so I'm so excited for that because I will be working with the dress shop and I'll be filming and taking photos, so you guys will not only see that, but you'll see the reaction to my friends and my girlfriends, my brides babes or bridesmaids, and you'll see their reaction to me asking them and getting their gifts and all of that. So I plan to insert that later in the video and those clips. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So I definitely knew that I wanted to do some sort of box. So when I saw this on Hobby Lobby and I saw it, I instantly had to have it. I'm pretty sure it's from Hobby Lobby. Everything will be linked down below. Well, everything that I can find will be linked down below if you're curious. But this box, if you know me, is so me. So it is this really pretty light pink box. I love anything light pink, and the top of it is this really pretty marble lid, and I'm not going to keep it like this. I will show you a clip right now of how I'm going to kind of finish it off, but I didn't want to close the boxes or do anything on the top yet before I showed you guys for the video. So I plan to have some kind of eucalyptus, maybe baby's breath, and maybe even a pink flower, because those are kind of the main color schemes and the main flowers that will be on my wedding day. So I want them to get a feel of maybe what kind of things are going to be in their bouquet. So probably a lot of eucalyptus into theirs and a lot of greenery. So I kind of wanted to throw that on top. So when they get the box, and these are literally, they were on sale for like $2 each. That is so cheap. I know you can get bigger boxes, but I feel like the small one really does a great job. As you can see, it's nice and small, it's easy to carry around, and it's just cute instead of like this huge box for like 5 different bridesmaids. So when they take the top off, it's going to be like this, and I printed out this little cute saying, and it just says, "I can't say I do without you, will you be my bridesmaid?" And I just put like pink flowers that I got from Pick Monkey. You can just print this out. It is free to do on your computer, and that is something that I was looking for, different free things that I could put in here, because the price does add up if you're buying for 5 people, or some people even have like 10 bridesmaids, so keep that in mind. Okay, and then when they opened up, another free thing, since we're on that roll, are paint swatches. Now these are all from Home Depot. You can literally just go in there, and I just like was taking all these swatches. People are probably like, who is this girl and is she painting her room like all these random colors? But I wanted them to get an idea of the color palette. So we have these really light pale pinks, and then it goes into green, and then these really pretty blush pinks. So blush pink and dusty rose pink and green are my colors for the wedding, and I wanted them to especially get an idea of this kind of pink because that goes along the lines of their dress. So with that said, once I'm talking about their dress, I wanted them to actually see the exact style that I would love for them to wear and the exact color. So this is pretty much the exact color of their dress, and when they flip this paint swatch little thing over that I taped, they can see the dress that I would love for them to wear. I'm pretty sure this is going to look so good on all body types. I actually tried this one on in David's bridal, and it looked good on me, and other people were trying on in the store, and it just seemed really flattering. So it's just like really pretty dress. It's a high neck, and then it sashes, and you have the option to not sash the dress if you don't want to. If you don't want to like tie it, you can just let it be like free. It's really loose, easy to dance in. It's probably going to be like 95 degrees on my wedding day, so I think this is really going to be a nice and flowy dress for them to wear. So they will see the color, and the color is called Ballet, and this is the style number, so they get an idea of that. So that's a really cute and free idea to put in the box. Then the next item, this is from Etsy, and I printed out this little paper that says, "Help me tie the knot." So I will try and zoom in, and this is what it looks like. It just says, "Help me tie the knot," and it's this really cute and pretty rose gold knot ring. And now this is like very dainty, very small, but I just wanted them to have something that they can wear, that they can be wearing this whole year until they can wear it on the day of, and I'll probably give them something else on the day of the wedding. But this is a cute little ring, and it's tied in a knot, you know, like the saying, like tying the knot when you're getting married. So I thought that was really cute, and they're like helping me tie the knot and standing with me on the day of. So that little ring is going to be in there in this box. And then we get to one of my favorite parts about this box. Then they're gonna open it and see this really pretty pink champagne bottle, and you can get these labels on Etsy and you can customize them to say whatever you want. So this one says, "Will you be my bridesmaid?" And then my maid of honor has hers and it says, "Will you be my maid of honor?" So this I felt like went so well with our theme for the wedding. It's very blush pink roses and then greenery on the label, as you can see. So I'll insert a clip of that close up. But another tip that I had is, instead of filling the entire thing with these like scrunchy papers that are really cute, I just have these gold ones, and then I have white scrunchy paper. But I also would suggest taking a color, like one of your wedding colors, and using like wrapping paper to scrunch up, so it really gives the box more volume, and it's like, I don't know, it's just cuter with the pink in the back and then also gold and the white like little frillies, I guess you call it. I think you can find these at Michael's or literally anywhere. I actually got a gift from a PR like package, and it had so many of these in them, so I recycled and repurposed all of them into my bridesmaids boxes. Some people might think this is a little bit weird, but since the champagne box was the champagne bottle was a little bit too big for the box, I did have to like poke a hole in the boxes. But honestly, I feel like it's fine. If you don't want to do that, then you don't have to even put the champagne in the box. But this, I really wanted them to have the champagne in the box, and I love this box, so I just had to sacrifice a little hole in the back, which I think is just fine. And then the last little thing I have in here is their roll for the day. So each girl has the same exact like roll, but I kind of thought it would be cute because it says, "Be my wedding therapist, attend necessary wedding events, you're my lipstick patrol all day and night, make sure my fiance makes it to the altar on time and sober, help me hold my dress up while I pee, remind me to eat and drink water, dance all night long, and stand by me on my wedding day." So this was another free option and cute little thing to put in here. I just typed up that and then stuck it in the side. And now I'm gonna roll to the other clips of me giving them a few other gifts. I am giving them a tank top, and each of them say "Brides Babe" in really pretty rose gold writing, which is like one of my themes or colors is rose gold. And then my maid of honor says "Babe of Honor" on her tank top. And the t-shirt company that they will be wearing the tank tops is called Cambridge Avenue, and they are just so amazing. She has champagne glasses that I also want to give my bridesmaids on the day of the wedding, but that is in the future. And she does customized wine glasses and champagne glasses in those really cute rose gold writing shirts and tank tops. And I have the cutest robes that they will be getting. So basically I wanted to talk to you guys about the robe company. They are so amazing. They're based here in San Diego, and the girl who runs it and who created the company is so sweet, and I'm collaborating with her for not only bridesmaid how I'm asking them, but also for my wedding. So I'm getting a robe that is a white robe, and my bridesmaids are getting a pink robe. It is so pretty. It's very elegant. I think this is going to be something that they can wear all the time, not just obviously for my wedding day. They can have it forever, and it's really cool because it's personalized, and each of the bridesmaids says bridesmaids on the tag on the inside, which I really like. I didn't want them to have something that says like bridesmaids all over it, because they can't really wear that robe ever again kind of thing. So I like that it's inside, that they always remember that I gave it to them for my wedding, but also like they can have it, and it's just so cute to lounge around in or do your makeup in. So the company is called Robed with Love, and you should definitely check them out if you are getting married soon. You don't have to be in the San Diego area. She does have a website and an Instagram that will be linked down below and on the screen here, but you will see here in the next few clips of me giving them their robes. So let's roll that. Don't open it yet. Oh. Oh. Yes, Lord. So sweet. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Okay, so first little thing you'll see in there is a little ring. And then if you flip it over, that's hopefully the dress
That's
might
so
wear.
cute. Ooh.
On the back is the dress.
Ooh.
So it's like a dusty pink color. High neck. And then the last and then the last one.
What is this?
Open up.
Whoa, what's
Oh
going
my
on?
god. Yeah. Yay. Okay, little bridesmaid. So you like? Okay.
These are so pretty. Can we put them on? These are so nice. I love the colors.
And then when the time comes for bachelorette, we can wear these and stuff.
Oh my god. So cute. Hi. That's cute. Yeah, so hopefully that goes well. It's a second interview with this company, so that's good. Yeah. So he's doing that, and
I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you brides out there got some ideas of how you want to ask your bridesmaids. I really wanted to keep it pretty affordable since you will be spending more money on them the day of the wedding, and I will definitely tell you guys what I get them on the day of the wedding, but this was just a little side thing, and you don't have to do like clothes or a robe, anything like that yet. You could just do this box. I'm sure they would be so excited and so happy. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!